guys, today's another video. So I'm doing a review on the I Survived Collector's Toolbox published by Scholastic. So yeah, so when you open it up, all the books go in there and the survival tool goes there. So first things first, this is the survival tool. So this you're looking at now is a torch, and it's red, then it's got a whistle there, and a compass. So that's the survival tool down. Now the box. So it comes with I survived the San Francisco earthquakes. I survived the Battle of Gettysburg or whatever it is. I survived the shark attacks of 1916. The Nazi invasion, 1944. The Japanese tsunami. The hurricane, 2005. The bombing of Pearl Harbor. The attacks of September 11. Sinking of the Titanic, 1912. And the destruction of Pompeii. So please like and subscribe to this video. Leave a comment down below. So yeah, there are all the books. So we're reading the blurbs and other videos of all of these. So yeah, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye guys.